So what we're doing here today, these tires are the original tires on the Rokon, and they're called Sure Grip on the side. Anyone that's actually used them calls them Sure Slip tires because there's no sideways traction to them. So what I've got here is a hot knife or a grooving tool that's extremely hot, and I'm just doing a pattern, increasing my number of edges that it'll bite. And that's what we end up with. These tires should perform dramatically better. I want to put the new ones on it, but they're $500 and this was only $97, so it's worth a shot to bring some new life in the old tires.